Hi there, welcome to Twistology Cubing. Today we're going to be looking at how to solve the Ivy cube. The Ivy cube is very simple.
Duh.
It rotates on these four corners, and no algorithms are needed to solve it. Here our Ivy cube is scrambled. So the first thing we want to do is locate the white center and a white corner. To combine these pieces, you can rotate this down on this side, and then it is able to rotate directly into there. Now locate the other right corner. In this case it is right here. And we can put it in, just turning it here, and aligning it with the other ones. The next step is to solve the yellow side. Put the white on the bottom, and move the yellow center into the top. Now, find another corner piece. They will be either here or here. And to put it into the top and match it with the yellow, you can move the yellow out of the way this direction. Then when you turn this one in, then it combines them. You can do the same thing for this one. Just turn it away from it, so when we put the yellow in the top, then it doesn't mess anything else up, and we can match that back up. Now either you have 3 or 4 centers left unsolved. In this case we have 4. If you do have 4, just pick 2 edges that have swapped centers and match this center up into the top. Then rotate the back in so that the white will fix itself when we rotate this orange piece back in. Now the white side is solved. The yellow side is solved, plus we have one more side solved. So this brings us to only 3 centers being unsolved. Place yellow on the left, white on the right, and the solved one on the bottom. And look at these 2 corners. Here, they're green, so we're going to solve the green side next. Locate the green center, which will either be on the front or the back. If it's on the back, move it to the front position, and then we can insert it into the green corners, like this. Match the green center in like that, then turn the back in, solving the orange, and then one more move will solve the red, and then you can fix the green, and that solves your Ivy cube. If you have a cube with the dots in the center, you solve it exactly the same way as an Ivy cube. Here it's scrambled. We can combine this corner with the rest of the whites and put that on the bottom. Now to solve yellow, we can move the yellow center into the top. And then we can put this corner in by turning this out of the way, moving this to the top, and then fixing it. We have one more yellow corner, so we could turn this away from the yellow corner, rotate the yellow corner back in, and solve the yellow side. Now we have 3 sides left to solve. This one we just solved we can put on the bottom. Since the red corners are on the top, we'll move the red center into them. Now you can combine the blues, attach the greens, and then solve that last corner. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.